Guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you whenever you try to open any software you face this error. The application was unable to start correctly and this code 0xc000007b. Click OK to close the application, but don't worry, I am here to solve your problem. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your browser and here type visual runtime AIO, then hit enter. Here click on this first link. Here you can easily see the downloading size, which is approximately 96 MB. So simply click on download. Here you can choose any server. So I am choosing this one. Then wait for the download option, and here the downloading option is pop up. So I am going to simply click on start to download. Now close your browser. Let's wait for the file to download completely. Once the download completes, simply click on open folder. Once you open the folder, just simply right click on it and here click on extract all, then click on extract. Here click on this install and open it. Click on yes. Then wait for the installation of all the file that is present in this folder. Once this process is complete, now open your software, you will don't face the error. If this video helped you, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit that notification bell so that you can receive notification about further videos. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.